Hi, I'm Paige Blackdeer and I am here today at Perry Creek, which flows into the Black River. This bridge is an example of one of the man-made things in this area. It's one of the human effects on the creek. Alright, so over in this area, we have this creek. It's got some valleys, and this area is like that because Wisconsin is part of the driftless region where the glaciers kind of skipped over us, leaving us with a lot of valleys and bluffs. Alright, so since last being here, the sand has raised a bunch. We must have had a flood or something that moved the sediment. And right here I'll show you an example of land movements. This would be the same as maybe a landslide, but on a smaller scale. This little area shows the erosion over time. As we see, the water runs down through these rocks, leaving deep crevices, and it looks pretty cool. Alright, so I'm standing here where the bridge used to be. If you watched my last video, I was standing on that bridge, but it seems we must have had a flood of some sort. But here's some information about the geology of Jackson County. I got this information from MindThat. So, in this area, there are a bunch of Cambrian sedimentary rocks, dominantly quartz sandstone, and there's also Precambrian rocks around the deeper river drainages, like that of the Black River. Jackson County is home to some of the oldest rocks in the state, dating all the way back to the Archean period, and you can see both gneisses and amphibolites near the dams of Black River Falls and Hatfield. In this area, there's also a lot of fracking potential, and as I said before, this is the driftless region. Now, for some of the Black River Falls geology, which I also got this facts from MindThat, there are a lot of Proterozoic, igneous, and metamorphic rocks, as well as granite outcrops along the river, and this is also an area of heavy iron deposits, which leads to the color of the creek and the Black River. Over this way would be a cave that is carved into the sandstone bluffs, and usually I would go over there like I did in my last video, but since the bridge is down, we have no way to get over there safely. But over there, there's a little cave carved in from when the water was once this high. We can see with the valley that eventually, or long time ago I mean, the water would have been way up here and it slowly carved itself down to where it is today. Alright, that was my geology video at Perry Creek. I hope you enjoyed.